All right, dad, supporting dads. We're gonna kill them all. Got the Metallica shirt on. We're on day 3. 25 push-ups for the next 365 days. We're also gonna be supporting dads, and dudes supporting dudes, and also teamwork. And what I'm gonna be doing for the next 365 days is I'm gonna nominate a couple of my friends to join in, start doing 25 push-ups a day, filming it, and we're gonna share our progress. We're gonna support each other. So this one goes out to James Thompson and Richard Worsley. You guys are nominated. Pass it on. 25 push-ups a day. Pound. Dads supporting dads. Let's go. 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right. Dads supporting dads. Let's do it.